Hello, my name is Worcester Rhodes and I'm with KTA Services. Today I just wanted to talk a little bit about lithium batteries, the benefits of them. Main reason being that some people know they're great but are really put off by how expensive they are and especially the risk of damaging those expensive batteries. Other people are also concerned about the technology that's required in order to make sure that the batteries are taken care of. So what we're going to do today is just show you a system that a customer of ours has purchased and that we have put together as a little demonstration here, and then we'll disassemble it and take it to the customer. So the first concern in terms of cost is that it's so great. However, the batteries do last longer and you get more range per battery pack generally, so the cost per mile is actually comparable with a flooded lead acid battery and better than AGM batteries. What we have here is a 90 amp hour 144 volt pack of Thunder Sky batteries, and we have an Lithium battery management system to take care of those. What we can see here is the main brains of the Lithium battery management system. It connects to the cell boards which are attached to each board so that it can communicate. It measures the voltage and the temperature and the current, and so it is able to know the state of the batteries, and it calculates other parameters such as resistance. And from this it can determine when it's appropriate for it to turn the charger off when you're charging, or to let the car and the driver know that they're almost empty. That's what this breadboard here is for that connection between the battery management system and the rest of the vehicle. We have down here a Manzanita micro charger, which one of our customers is going to be using with a lithium battery system, and a BMS from the Lithium. And we've developed a little interface here that goes between the digital output from the Manzanita micro with some relays and some other little components here that allow the BMS to know when the charger's on, and also for the BMS to turn the charger off. Why don't we just go ahead and turn it on. So this little switch here is taking the place of our ignition switch, and we can see down here that the high limit is on, which is telling us that the batteries are fully charged and ready to go. And we can actually, whoopsie daisy, log in here, and we can see on the computer through this connection here the full status of the system. So this is telling us whether there are any faults, whether it's being charged or discharged, and the state of the outputs to the charger or the rest of the vehicle. So currently we're all in good shape, and we can also take a look at some more details. And what we can see is that we're ready to go. State of charge is 100%, state of health is 100%, battery pack voltage is 157.4 volts. So we're ready to drive off. And this is my simulation for a load, like putting your foot on the throttle. It's not currently connected to anything, but at this point we could drive off and would be good to go. What would happen is, as we drive, the voltage on the battery pack will drop down. There's actually a state of charge display, which we don't have here, that will tell you how much is left, so you don't have to worry about range anxiety. You'll know exactly where you are. And as you get down to the point where, say, the idiot light would come on your gas vehicle, the same thing will happen here. And actually, if you get down to an even lower point, this can actually shut down the vehicle or turn it into a lower power configuration so that you can limp home. So anyhow, I guess the message that we wanted to convey today is that KTA can support the purchase of the batteries, the battery management system, as well as all of the technical aspects of installing it and debugging it. And hopefully that should make people feel comfortable with investing their hard-earned money in this superior battery and battery management technology. Thank you.